This is Mr. Kimmel with another screencast for Life Science. In this lesson, we are going to learn how organisms get energy. This picture shows an important organelle in this process, the mighty mitochondrion. An organism's feeding position in a food chain is its trophic level. One is that of producers, which use the sun's energy to make their own food molecules. Another name for a producer is an autotroph. A consumer is an organism that cannot make its own food molecules, so it must eat or consume other organisms. Another name for a consumer is a heterotroph. Now let's learn how these two types of organisms get energy. Autotrophs, or producers, make sugar molecules through a process called photosynthesis. This process begins with light energy from the sun. Light energy is captured by chloroplasts, which are organelles in plant cells filled with the green pigment chlorophyll. Plants also take in carbon dioxide gas and water. Through this chemical reaction, sugar molecules are made from the light energy, carbon dioxide, and water. Oxygen gas is a byproduct that is produced during this reaction. Here is the formula for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide, water, and light energy from the sun make sugar molecules and oxygen. Again, this process takes place in chloroplasts. Also, the sugar molecules are called glucose. Let's look at the process called cellular respiration. It is important to know that autotrophs and heterotrophs, or all organisms, go through the process of cellular respiration. This process is how organisms get energy from glucose, or sugar molecules. The difference in autotrophs and heterotrophs is how they get the glucose in the first place. We have just learned that autotrophs make glucose through a process of photosynthesis. Heterotrophs get glucose by consuming other organisms, which are broken down through digestion. Here is the equation for cellular respiration. Glucose, or the sugar molecules, plus oxygen form carbon dioxide, water, and energy. This process occurs in the mitochondria. In summary, organisms get energy through the process of cellular respiration, which occurs in the mitochondria. In this process, sugar molecules are broken down to form energy for organisms. Heterotrophs get sugar molecules, or the glucose, by eating other organisms. Autotrophs get sugar molecules, or glucose, through the process of photosynthesis. I also want to point out that these two processes are opposite of each other. What goes in for photosynthesis is what comes out of respiration, and what comes out of photosynthesis is what goes into cellular respiration. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.